guys, happy Vlogmas day 1. I just woke up and washed my hair. That's why my hair is wet. I did like an oil treatment in my hair overnight last night. Made some coffee. I got this super cute little like snowflake mug at Target. It was actually a little like hot cocoa set, but I just bought it for the mug because it was like $10 and I love it. So we're off to a great start this morning. I'm so excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. If you guys don't know what Vlogmas is, it is 25 videos straight. So I'm actually doing a little like modified version of that, like working 25 days straight from the second I wake up to the second I go to bed, and editing and everything just isn't something that I feel like is gonna work for me. I feel like my mental health would be trash if I tried to do that because it is so much more work than I think a lot of people realize. So I'm actually gonna be doing 12 days of Vlogmas. So from December 1st through 12th, you guys will have a new video from me every single day, which I think will be so much fun. I know a lot of people do Vlogmas, so I thought it'd be the perfect amount as well for you guys to watch. And I wanna give you guys lots of ideas of fun, like festive holiday things to do. So I thought 12 days of Vlogmas would be a good idea. I'm also doing 12 days of giveaways over on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me over there yet, highly recommend. I have some super exciting giveaways happening over there every single day. Christmas is my absolute favorite season of the year. So I want to do something very like festive and Christmassy every single day in these vlogs for you guys to maybe give you guys some ideas of stuff to do, and also just like make it very like cozy and festive and some fun times. So that's kind of the plan for Vlogmas. I think Vlogmas is so much fun because you really see like just the real and raw like day-to-day life versus just like a one-off vlog here and there, which I think is so much fun. And it's just like you get to see like a different side of people, I feel like, and just like more, I feel like you get to see more of their life, which is nice. So anyways, that's kind of the plan for Vlogmas. I got the dogs Christmas advent calendars this year, so they have like a little treat for each day of December. So we're gonna give them the first day. I have to find it. I feel like, I don't know why advent calendars always put the numbers in a bunch of random places. I feel like every day you have to go on a little treasure hunt to figure out like where the correct number is every day. It's so funny. I don't know why they do that. Are you excited? Are you so excited for your treat? You are? Okay. Okay, day 1 for Kai is this cute little gingerbread man. Let's see what Harper's is. Okay, and then it looks like Harper got the same one as well. Okay, are you guys so excited? You are? Okay, sit. Good puppies. Harper, down. Good girl. Okay, you guys ready? Stay. Stay. Break! Go get him. Good puppies. Those yummy. That is the most crumbly dog cookie I've ever seen. I also got another package of these little like Patchology eye patches, and this one actually came in like a whole little tub, and I think this is like a 30 pack, but I love my eye patches. Also, before anyone comments that I'm putting these on backwards, this is literally the way that the box says to put them on. So I've always put them on this way, and people always say to put like the tiny part like near your like the inside of your eye, and I feel like that's just a weird way to do it, and it like stabs me in the eye and I don't like it. And this way it gets like more of your under eye, because I want more of my under eyes versus like the outside of my eyes. So they definitely do just feel so nice though, and I actually like keeping mine in the fridge because then it keeps it nice and cool, and it just feels so good to put them on in the mornings. If you guys don't do that with yours, highly recommend storing them in the fridge because it just feels absolutely magical. Okay, breakfast is made. I just made some banana peanut butter toast, and I put a little bit of cinnamon on top. I've been really into this for breakfast lately. I feel like I always just like cycle through what I love for breakfast, and it used to be avocado toast, and now I'm really loving this for breakfast. You guys want the rest of the peanut butters? Every time I make peanut butter toast, I always let them lick the knife, and they're always so happy and cute about it. Is that yummies? You guys want flip sides? Here you go. I also have all the Christmas decorations up. I put on the fireplace this morning. So if you guys missed the Christmas decorating with me, I'll have that link down below where I decorated my whole house. But it's so cozy in here. I love having all the decorations up whenever I wake up. It's just like the coziest thing. Okay, just finished breakfast, finishing up my coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready for the day. I need to leave here probably in about like 45 minutes. I actually am doing a little like consultation with a personal trainer. I feel like I've just been so like off my workout game lately, and normally like I can come up with good workouts and I can like do it at home because I have like a little workout room, but I feel like I've just had no motivation whatsoever to work out, and I feel like having someone there to like make the workouts for me and like count all the reps and just like keep me accountable, and I actually have to show up because I'm paying for it, will just like help me a lot to get back into working out and start like getting back into that routine. So I'm gonna go meet with someone today and just kind of see if they're a good fit, kind of talk about like what I'm looking for, kind of get to know them. all that stuff, which I'm excited about. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna do some light makeup. And I do have a like holiday get ready with me video coming soon, or I think I'm gonna include it in a vlog, honestly. If you guys want to see like my makeup routine for the holidays and like a little get ready with me and everything like that, because I feel like I always like get flustered whenever I'm trying to like get ready for holidays and stuff. So I feel like if I have like someone to watch or to get ready with, there's like have ideas of like what to wear or like how to do my hair, I feel like it's just like a lot easier for me. So stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then I'll check in with you guys when I'm done. Okay, I'm finishing up getting ready. My hair, I don't know, my hair's being so weird today, and I'm not gonna lie, like I'm also running a little short on time. So I just like blow dried it straight and then threw a hat on. I've been wearing this hat so much lately. I was trying to do a claw clip, but I don't know why. I just can never get like my little claw clips to look good. I don't know if I just have too much hair, if it's too thick, because like this is a pretty big like claw clip. So I don't know what it is. I don't know if my like technique is just wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but my claw clips just never like look good, and there's always like, it's always like saggy almost. So I don't know, maybe I just need to do some more research on how to properly do a claw clip with long hair. It's easy with short hair, but it's really hard with long hair for some reason. Anyways, we are keeping it super simple with the fit, mainly because I'm kind of in a rush. I'm having one of those days where I feel like I have like no sense of fashion. Like even though my closet is completely full of clothes, like more clothes than I need, I feel like I have nothing to wear. I don't know what to wear. I like don't know how to style myself. It's just one of those days. So I went with this super simple outfit. I'm just wearing a black long sleeve. This puffer is actually from Amazon and I really like it. It's a lot thinner than my one from ASOS, which I like. It's not super cold today, so I didn't want to put on like a super heavy puffer jacket. And then I'm just wearing some leggings and my sneakers. So that's a little outfit of the day. But I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I don't know if I'm gonna like film in the gym because I don't really know if like they allow filming. I don't really know what the vibe is. So I'll probably just check in with you guys as soon as I get back. Okay, I just got home and I came home to like 1,000,001 packages sitting on my porch. Most of these look like holiday packages, so I thought that we could unbox them together. I also got a package in from a subscriber. It's the sweetest thing in the entire world to me whenever you guys send me stuff during the holidays. Like I think it was it last year or 2 years ago? Oh, I literally have it. I'll show it to you guys. I think it was 2 years ago, a subscriber sent me this little ornament for my Christmas tree, and it's me, Harper, and Kai. Like, how freaking cute is that? And she sent me a whole handwritten card and everything, and these are just like the sweetest things to me. I will keep this forever. I kept her card. I have it in my office, and it genuinely just means so much to me. I obviously never expect you guys to send me anything, and you totally don't have to, but it absolutely melts my heart whenever you guys do. So I think we're gonna open the one from my subscriber first. Also, Laura Mercier sent this like insanely huge, and it's really heavy package. So I'm very curious to see what's actually in here, but I'm gonna open the one from my subscriber first. It has really cute packaging. Okay, it has a little note. Oh, so she has her own brand. That's so cool. I'll have it down below as well, but it's Megan Krapakovich. I'm probably saying that wrong, Megan. I'm so sorry if I am. So I will have it down below if you guys want to check her out. And she even gave me a 10% off my next order discount code. That's so sweet. And she wrote a little note that says, "Hi Katie, your videos fill me with such joy and motivation. Thank you for sharing with us. I hope my products can help add on an extra dose of happiness to your day. Love, Megan." This is so sweet. I love you guys so much. I have the sweetest followers ever in the entire world. I love you guys so much. Oh my gosh, these are right up my alley. She sent 2 of her daily personal planners. These are right up my alley. I absolutely love stuff like this. I feel like I need a planner to survive, and I love little things like this that are just like daily pages. So I am so excited to use these. And then she sent one more thing that's in a box. I'm curious what this is. Oh, it's a water bottle. Oh my gosh, and this is so cute and my aesthetic. This is so cute. I'm so excited for this. Thank you so much, Megan. You are the absolute sweetest. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it's a glass water bottle. This is so pretty. And you know what's so funny is her initials are MK, but mine are KM, so it basically has my initials on there. That's so cute. Thank you so much, Megan. These are so sweet. It means so much to me. Okay, on to this huge package from Laura Mercier. It says, "Happy holidays, Katie. Enter Laura Mercier's virtual world of beauty." That's so cool. I'll have to check out what that is. Oh, it's heavy because they sent a giant bottle of champagne. They single-handedly keep me stocked on champagne because I'm not like the biggest drinker, so I don't go through it super fast. So I have like so many bottles of champagne from Laura Mercier in my pantry, and that's so fun. This is so perfect for the holiday season because I actually want to make some really fun festive holiday drinks with you guys that require champagne, so that'll be a lot of fun. They sent their artist gift brush collection. So it's a collection of 5 brushes. They sent a little translucent loose setting powder and a little puff. This is the only powder that I use. It's my absolute hands down favorite. We'll probably use it until the day I die. So I hope they never stop selling it because I'm the biggest fan of it. And then they sent this big old box. I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's their body products. They sent over their almond coconut one. So it comes with a almond coconut body cream and an almond coconut perfume and then an almond coconut honey bath. That smells so good. Oh my gosh, that's really nice. But it reminds me of like sun-kissed coconuts at the beach. It's very summery. But it smells so luxurious and nice. It's not like an overwhelming scent, but it's just a very light, nice fragrance. So it didn't break. You guys, this is why I don't buy myself nice things, because I drop everything or like I sit on it or I break it somehow. It didn't break. This is all fine. Thankfully I didn't break the champagne. Oh my gosh. Okay, the world's biggest klutz. Anyways, thank you so much, Laura Mercier. That is so sweet. Okay, I think I wanna open this one next. I opened it to see kind of what it was. So it's from River Birch Candles, and I didn't open any of the candles so I could smell them with you guys and see like what I got. River Birch Candles has hands down like the best candles and fragrances I have ever smelled in my entire life. Handmade in the USA, non-toxic. It's a small business, they're Black owned, and they always send me some products over the holiday season, which is just so special to me. They sent over their peppermint mocha one. I love peppermint mocha. Stop. You guys are just gonna find me here sniffing this candle for like the next 20 years. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, one more sniff. One more. Okay, I'm done. That smells so good. It smells exactly like a candy cane mocha. That smells amazing. And they're all in these cute little tins. I love the whole aesthetic that they have of all their products as well. They're really pretty. Okay, and then the other one was apple cider. Yep, smells exactly like apple cider. That's one thing that I really like about their stuff. It doesn't smell like fake, if you know what I mean. Like, you know how some like candles just smell very fakey and it's kind of like a nauseating smell, and I'm extremely sensitive to smells as it is. Okay, that one smells amazing. I still think peppermint mocha is my favorite so far though. Ooh, I love the packaging on this one. This one is their cranberries and pine. I really like that one. That one's very like foresty and like Christmas tree-y. Christmas tree-y. I don't know, we're just gonna go with it. Anyways, smells amazing. I love the packaging on this one. I like that they have like the black tins and they have like the white jars. So pretty. Okay, these are some more of their black tins. Okay, the first one is dark cedar. Okay, this one would be so good for like a men's gift, I feel like. It's very like woody and cedary, which again is literally what it's made to be. I feel like that would just be so nice in like a men's office or something. That smells so good. It's very like warm and cozy as well. Really love that one. Okay, and then the next one they sent over is Christmas. I'm very excited for this one. That one smells so good too. That one's like a little sweet, but it has that kind of like pine and like Christmas tree scent to it as well. Yeah, that one just smells like straight up Christmas in a candle. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then the last thing they sent is, oh, it's a room spray of their Christmas one. So you can use it as a room or a linen spray. That's so nice. Thank you so much, River Birch. I'll have them linked down below if you guys want to shop any of their products. Highly recommend. Like, I literally recommend these candles to everyone. Anytime someone comes over and I have a candle burning, that's from them. They always compliment it, and I instantly send them the link because I'm like, you need these candles in your life. I think everyone needs these candles in their life. So if you guys do want to check them out, I will have them linked down below if you guys want to support a small Black owned candle business this holiday season. I promise you, you will absolutely love their candles. I literally send everyone the link. I always have their candles lit whenever like I have company over or anything like that, and I always get compliments on the candle. So you guys will absolutely love them if you get them a try. Thank you so much, River Birch. You guys are the absolute sweetest and I love you so much. Thank you for keeping my house smelling amazing. But the last package is from the love of my life, Equilibria. You guys know I'm a huge Equilibria fan. Like, I take their gummies every day, every night. Like, they're the best. They sent over a cute little holiday package, and how cute is like this little crinkly paper. It's the small things, you guys. They sent over some more of their Bordeaux Cherry Sleep Gummies. These ones are amazing. They have a botanical sleep blend featuring L-theanine and organic chamomile. I sometimes have like the hardest time like quieting my mind before I go to sleep, because I feel like I'm always like thinking and just have a billion and one like thoughts in my brain when I'm trying to go to sleep. So I take one of these every single night and I just get the best sleep of my life. So absolutely love these. And then they also sent over some of their winter citrus daily drops, which are their CBD drops. And I think their winter citrus flavor is like the holiday one, which is so fun. Last year they had a bunch of holiday flavored gummies. I wonder if they'll do those again this year, because I'm totally gonna buy some if so, because those are so yummy. And then they also sent over some of their energy capsules, and these ones are supposed to help support your energy levels, alertness, and cognitive performance, which, hi ADHD brain, you guys know I need this. So these will be super fun to try. I'm very excited for those. So those are all the little holiday packages that I got. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away really quickly, and then I need to do a few emails, because I keep getting emails from my manager that I need to take care of really quickly. So I think I'm gonna do some emails really quickly, and then I have a really fun evening plan, so I'll probably check in with you guys whenever I'm done doing a little bit of work. It's a little bit later. We're actually gonna go ice skating, and then we're gonna go grab some dinner. I love ice skating so much, and I always thought that I was so bad at it, but then I realized that it was just like the ice rinks, like public skates. At least I think it is, because I bought my own ice skates, and then like suddenly I could ice skate. So I think it's just the ice skates maybe, I don't know. I mean, pro skaters can probably skate anything, but anyways, so I have my own ice skates that I think I'm gonna bring. I haven't broken those out since last year, and I love it. I actually thought about like signing up to take ice skating classes last year, because it's just so much fun, and I thought it could be like a fun hobby. I never ended up doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish curling my hair, finish getting ready. I'll show you guys my little outfit before we leave, and then we're gonna go ice skating and grab some dinner. Okay, just finished getting ready. This is the little outfit of the night. I kept on my same black base from earlier, and then threw on this really cute long black and white jacket. I don't remember where I got this. I'll try to find it and then link it for you guys, but it's super soft, really warm and cozy, so I thought it would be good to wear tonight. And then for my makeup, I kept it like pretty much the same. I just have on my same little gold hoops from earlier, but we need to head out, so I need to go grab my ice skates. I think that they're in a closet. I hope that's where they are, so I don't have to like go dig to try to find them, but I'm gonna go grab those really quickly, and then we're gonna head out and go ice skating. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. We just finished ice skating. We were gonna go get food at this one place, but I guess they ended up closing their kitchen early, because we just called to see if we could like place a to-go order, and like, oh, we already closed the kitchen and everything, so I guess they closed it a little bit earlier than what they said whenever I called. So we're trying to find somewhere to eat. Really everywhere is closed, and like the places that are open don't have anything vegan, so we're like looking. Hopefully there's something, because I am hungry, because I had nothing in my house. Also, my hair is wild from ice skating. It was so much fun though. But definitely bring your own skates. The skates Austin had were so bad, and they were hurting your feet so bad. So I'm very thankful that I have my own this season, because yeah, because that is really rough. I genuinely thought that I couldn't ice skate until I got my own ice skates. I was like, oh, like I actually can, it's just the skates. So yes. Anyways, I'll let you guys know what we end up doing. Get you a man that holds your ice skates. That's a true gentleman right there. Thank you.
Sorry guys.
Hey, okay, we called earlier about vegan options.
Vegan stuff.
Was that you? Okay, yeah.
I am the resident allergy dietary weirdness expert.
Beautiful, we love it. Can I do your beer battered cauliflower taco made of vegan?
No queso, no candied pepita on a corn tortillas.
And then is it just one taco each?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And then could I also try...
I do also have on my backdoor menu the Nashville hot cauliflower, if you like the sound of the Nashville hot tofu, but our tofu is not vegan.
It's not? Okay. Let's see. Could I do your falafel one?
Falafel, you got it.
Okay, so I got the beer battered ones, and then what was this one?
Nashville.
Oh, that one's yours? And then, oh, and then these are the falafel wraps. This looks so yummy.